A sea breeze slips over sun-bleached stones on the Greek island of Ikaria, carrying the scent of rosemary and something richer, fresh pressed olive oil glistening in a grandmother's clay bowl. She drizzles it over vine-ripened tomatoes, then laughs at the notion of old age. Here, 80 is middle-aged, 90 is common. Centenarians still dance at dusk. Scientists call such regions blue zones, pockets where death arrives fashionably late. Locals simply call it dinner. What threads all these long-living cultures together is not a secret serum or designer supplement, but 5 humble foods woven into daily ritual. Journey with me across oceans and orchards to uncover how each one whispers longevity into the cells of those who eat them, and how you can invite that whisper to your own table. 1. Extra virgin olive oil. Icaria's elders pour olive oil as though time itself were soluble in golden fat. Cold pressing preserves polyphenols like oleocanthal, an anti-inflammatory compound shown to protect arterial walls the way a soft riverbank is shielded by reeds. Oleic acid, the dominant monounsaturated fat, supports optimal cholesterol ratios, while vitamin E guards cell membranes from oxidative fraying. 3 tablespoons a day, used to saute vegetables or finish soups. Quiet the low-grade fires that accelerate aging. Think of each emerald drop as grease for the hinges of the years to come. 2. Fatty fish. Sardines, salmon, mackerel. Half a world east, in Okinawa, dawn purples the surf as an 88-year-old fisherman hauls sardines glimmering like pocket mirrors. These fish are small but mighty vessels of DHA and EPA, omega-3 fatty acids that keep cell membranes supple, lower triglycerides, and calm systemic inflammation linked to Alzheimer's, arthritis, even depression. Their soft bones provide calcium. Their selenium neutralizes mercury. Grill sardines twice weekly or flake canned wild salmon over salads. Every bite draws a protective circle around your heart and brain. 3. Legumes, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Travel to Costa Rica's Nicoya Peninsula and you'll find abuelitas stirring black beans at dawn. Legumes anchor the world's longest-lived diets with budget-friendly brilliance. Plant protein, minus inflammatory residues of charred meat, fiber that nurtures gut microbes into producing butyrate, a molecule that fortifies the colon, and resistant starch that steadies blood sugar like a hand on a ship's wheel. Rich in folate, magnesium, and potassium, beans also lower blood pressure, an unsung predictor of lifespan. Aim for a cup a day and watch grocery bills shrink as health span expands. 4. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, watercress. In Loma Linda, California, Seventh-day Adventists plant hefty rows of spinach beneath citrus trees. These leaves concentrate nitrates that widen blood vessels, delivering oxygen as efficiently as elite athletes. They pack vitamin K for bone density, lutein for retinas, and a constellation of carotenoids that mop up free radicals the way a diligent librarian shelves returned books. Steam them lightly with garlic, blitz them into smoothies, or line a grain bowl with kale ribbons. 2 fistfuls daily can slash all-cause mortality by double digits, according to Harvard cohorts tracking nurses for decades. 5. Wild berries, blueberries, bilberries, acai. Climb Sardinia's herb-dappled hills, and you'll meet shepherds who snack on myrtle berries staining fingertips indigo. Berries are vaults of anthocyanins, pigments that act as bodyguards for collagen, brain neurons, and the delicate lining of arteries. They spike nitric oxide production, tame post-meal blood sugar, and even switch on SIRT1, a gene nicknamed the longevity switch. Whether you toss frozen blueberries onto oatmeal or spoon acai puree beneath pumpkin seeds, aim for a cup most days. Colorful variety keeps your antioxidant quiver full. Weaving the 5 into a life worth 100 years, longevity is less a sprint toward perfect nutrition than a dance of consistent, pleasurable habits. Start breakfast with oats simmered in almond milk, folded with blueberries and a swirl of olive oil honey. Lunch on kale chickpea salad dressed with lemon and garlic. Dine on grilled salmon alongside black bean stuffed sweet potatoes. Season generously with friendship, laughter, and sleep, because stress oxidizes faster than sugar ever could. Move your body like it's the best vehicle you'll ever own, because it is. None of these foods arrives in pill form, none requires a chef's diploma, and all can be found in an average supermarket. What they demand is the humility to trust common ingredients, the patience to cook more at home, and the curiosity to taste new stories written by distant coasts and mountain gardens. If you do, you won't merely add years to life, you'll add life, bright, spirited, unhurried, to every additional year. So drizzle, grill, simmer, and stir. Invite olive oil to coat tomorrow's memories. Let sardines school your arteries in resilience. Allow beans to anchor metabolism, greens to flood tissues with light, and berries to paint longevity across your genome. With each mindful mouthful, you vote for a future where blowing out 100 candles feels less like an anomaly and more like the next natural chapter. Because living long is not about defying time, it's about collaborating with it.